Hello everyone. In this video, today I am going to show you how to add a red signature in a PDF document in Foxit Phantom. These are PDF from click from option. There is signature field. Click on it and draw your signature field. Okay. Click right option for properties, appearance, fill color, text color, red. Close. Click hand option and click signature or click new ID, next, signature name, email, next. These are signature preview. Here you can choose region, author, location, sign, save location, type name, desktop, save. Yeah, these are signature field, red signature properties. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.